Hello, today I will show you how to download and back up all your Gmail emails. Step 1, access your Google account settings. On the left panel, select Data and Privacy. Scroll down and click Download Your Data under Download or Delete Your Data. Step 2, choose the data to back up. On the Takeout page, click Deselect All to uncheck everything. Scroll down and select Mail Only. After selecting Mail, click Next Step. Step 3, set up and start export. Choose export frequency, export once recommended. Keep the file type as .ip for compatibility. Choose file size. Click create export to begin the backup process. And wait for Google to prepare your data. This may take time. Step 4, download the archive. When the export is ready, you'll receive an email. Open the email and click Download Your Files. Save the downloaded .zip file to your computer. Access your backed up emails. That's it. You've now successfully backed up your Gmail data. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.